Brutemagnetics. This is the wildebeest. Alright, let's get the magnet going. Found something else. Whoa! Whoa! How the heck? Hey! There we go. Oh no, this washer's stuck. Let's see. Whoa! That's like the most I've ever found at one time. Hey, what's up, guys? So back over here today on these canal banks. We have a bridge here I'm gonna try, and today I'm gonna try it over there, but I'm gonna see if we can find some more stuff here in this little cove, and then see if there's anything over there and over there. So we'll see if we can find anything, and hopefully something different. You know, we keep finding a bunch of stuff, bunch of trash, but nothing pretty cool or out of the ordinary, you know. So hopefully today's the day we find something pretty cool, and let's get to it. Let's get some gloves on, and then we'll get out the wildebeest. Let's see if we can find something. Brutemagnetics. This is the wildebeest. Big old magnet. Oh. I'll leave that stuff in there. Get the magnet. Sheesh, man. Alright, let's get the magnet going. We'll come back for that box. You know what? I'm gonna go on top of there right now and just drag the magnet over. People here having a fire. Leave all kinds of fucking trash. Okay. So it seems like there's like a platform right there. Let's see. Whoa. That's like the most I've ever found at one time. That's a lot of crap, man. A lot. So you got some nails. Okay. What the heck is that? Like a can? Oh my. Old rusted can. A little piece of metal. Hey, Michelob Ultra. See what's on this side. More nails and some little shrapnel. Wow. Bust the head off that nail. So we're gonna clean this stuff off real quick and get back out there. Alright, so I cleaned most of the stuff off. Now let's get back in there. The magnet was dirty. I'm gonna check all these little spots, see if there's anything in there. Then we'll come over here to the next one. Check this also. Then I keep going back and forth, kind of like sweeping the area. Dang, I got a lot of stuff on this one. Hey! What the? Oh no, this washer's stuck. Oh, why did I move it in the middle? That ain't coming off. And then, hey, here we go. Got a busted up treble hook. Whose fucking trash this is, people. Screws, more nails, little shrapnel pieces of metal. Let's see here. Okay, J hook. That's about it. Well, we'll leave that washer on there for now. Probably try to take it off later. All right, let's do the same thing. Keep sweeping. Let's see here. See what we got, if we got anything new. No freaking way. I would have never thought I'd get a hook with the worm on it. It's pretty cool. Somebody's fishing for bass. Alright. Still got the washer and some more nails. Wonder how many nails actually get through here. Whoa! How the heck? How does a piece of a railroad equipment get way over here? That's like a good, what, 75 yards? 75, 100 yards away from the railroad, and we're finding wow, I forgot what they called this thing. But that's definitely a railroad gear. I think they call that like a J brace. I think that's what people were commenting on the videos of. So yeah, you never know what the heck you're gonna find magnet fishing. I mean, a J brace, there ain't even a train track here. Oh, found something else. A little rock, and then a piece of an angle iron. Who knows what that goes to? We'll leave that there for now until we leave. Add that to our bucket of mysteries. Oh, got something. Whoa! Need to back up for this one. Another one of these things. Come on. Leave that there. We'll grab this. Add it to the rest of them. Ugh. Stuff reeks, man. This has got all kinds of green stuff all over it. So many of them. Hey, there we go. Got another little 1-inch nut or half-inch nut. Oh heck no, you better be coming off. Why is the middle so much stronger? There we go. Now that one is going to be staying on for a while. Alright guys, I'll show you what we got today. So first, this washer. But that thing is hard to come off. I mean, it's flat, I can't slide it. I have to find out a way how to get that thing off. But I also found a couple J hooks. Looks like a little, like a 1/0, 2/0 J hook, a treble hook, also a little bass hook with the worm on it. Pretty crazy to find a little purple worm. And then of course, like some nails, little screws, stuff like that. Make a little ultra. Also found another nut, but this is smaller than the last one. So this could be a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 of an inch, but bigger than bottle cap. We got that one, and then randomly a J brace. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. I'm not too sure. Maybe somebody will drop a comment down below and let me know exactly what these are called. But this wasn't even, I didn't even find this by the railroad tracks. I found it on that bridge over there. I mean, there's railroad tracks over there, like 100 yards away, but that's upstream. I don't know how that got over there. And then also a piece of an angle iron, similar size to these legs, but it would have had a break. I mean, this is a little small piece. So go ahead and put this stuff away. Add it all to our bucket. And that washer, that thing's probably staying on there. All right, you guys. Hey, I just want to say thank you. Let me clean that lens real quick. Oh yeah, now it's nice and clean. But yeah, you guys, I want to say thank you to all you guys that are watching these videos, that are subscribing, watching all of the shorts. You know, it's crazy. I didn't believe that this was possible. It was able to happen, you know, to reach that 1,000 mark, and it's over that 1,100. And I'm glad, you know, and it's all thanks to you guys. We got a car coming, so sun's out of here. So with that being said, you guys, peace. See you on the next cast.